In Unix Linux systems, the root user account is the super user account, and it can therefore be used to do anything and everything achievable on the system. Koha is not in the sudoers in Debain. How to fix broken sudo command in Debain. If you happen to be running only Debain or Ubuntu on your machine, after powering it, press the Shift key for a few seconds to get the Grub boot menu. On the other hand, if you are running a dual boot, Ubuntu alongside Windows or Mac OS X or virtual machine, then you should see the Grub boot menu by default. Using the down arrow, select Advanced Options for a and press Enter. Indicating that the root file system is mounted as read-only. Move over to the line root drop to root shell prompt, then hit Enter. Next, press Enter for maintenance. At this point, you should be at the root shell prompt. As we had seen before, the file system is mounted as read-only, therefore, to make changes to the system we need to remount is as read-write by running the command mount or.remount/add user to sudo or admin group. Assuming that a user has been removed from the sudo group, to add the user back to the sudo group, issue the command adducer username sudo, granting sudo privileges to users. On the assumption that the /etc/sudoers file was altered to prevent users in the sudo or admin group from elevating their privileges to that of a super user, then make a backup of the sudoers files cp/etc/sudoers/etc/sudoers.original. Open the sudoers file. By using vsudo, supposing that the permission on the /etc/sudoers file is not set to 0440, then run the following command to make it right. Last but not least, after running all the necessary commands, type the exit command to go back to the recovery menu. Exit, use the right arrow to select and hit Enter. Press to continue with normal boot sequence. Thanks for watching.